everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have some thoughts about my channels. I have a beauty channel, a vlog channel and a Swedish channel. It's really difficult to upload stuff on every channel all the time, so I was thinking about maybe I will put my vlog channel on this channel, so I just have one English speaking channel. I don't know what the YouTube algorithm is going to feel about that, but yeah, I think I'm going to try and see how it goes and just have two channels for a while. But I won't delete my vlog channel, it will still be there if you want to check out my old videos there. But yeah, for a while I will try to upload everything on this channel so you get more videos and I can, yeah, I don't know, it just feels better. So today we're going to talk about baby showers and baby registries. Is it a handout? I don't know. Yeah, we're going to discuss this, and I'm going to talk about how we celebrate pregnancies and babies in Sweden. It's a huge difference. Well, we make it in a different way. Pretty much not at all, but I'm going to talk more about it. I found some Facebook groups, some pregnancy groups, some Swedish ones, of course, nothing weird about that. But as well, I found some English-speaking groups. I assume most of the members are located in the US or America. And yeah, I've seen some big differences, and it's yeah, it's the reason why I decided to do this video, because I found it so interesting how we celebrate and how we see things so differently, and I wanted to point some things out and just discuss it. So when I got pregnant, I really early decided I wanted a baby shower, and well, for most of you, that's nothing weird, right? But in Sweden, it's not really something we do a lot. It's a very recent thing. Of course, we've taken it from the America. It's something we see on television or in movies, and we want to have it as well, but it's not a big thing yet. So maybe, if I would make a guess, maybe around 5% of the people today decide to have a baby shower. Not a lot of my friends have had a baby shower. I think I know one, so, or two people maybe. So it's not a huge thing, and you may ask why. So it's the way we see things here. It's so hard to describe this, but a baby shower, it's like asking people to give you stuff. We don't see it as a celebration where you celebrate the baby. It's for the baby, it's not for the parents. It's the same with Christmas or our birthdays. We don't really celebrate as much as you do, or as other countries do and other people do. We celebrate when the children are small, but then when we get older, we don't buy presents or gifts to pretty much anyone, just to children. So we don't really celebrate much at all here. I don't know why. Well, I have a guess, but we're supposed to be these independent people. We don't need gifts, and it's just like asking for a handout, and it's selfish to want to celebrate something. And just to be clear, this isn't my thoughts and how I feel. I love to celebrate. I love parties and birthday parties and just meeting people, and I'm a very social person, and that's not really common here. I told my mom I wanted a baby shower, and she wanted to to organize it and everything. So I don't know when, where, how, nothing. I just know she's going to fix a baby shower for me. She didn't know a lot about it, so she had to do some research, because people here, it's something new for them nowadays. When the younger generation starting to use internet more and stuff, we learn more about other cultures and all of that. So we get interested and we want to do the same. And I think in a couple of years, maybe 10, this will be more common. I hope so. And it's so unfortunate that people see it as asking for a gift. It's not what it's about. It's about celebrating the baby, and yeah, it's for the baby. And it's also, I see it as a chance to meet everyone and to hang out, socialize, and just have fun together, because we have so much boring stuff happening all the time. We have work, we have our lives, we go through tough times, and it's just a chance to make something happy. And yeah, for a baby shower, I know in America well, almost a lot of you make a registry for the baby shower. So it pretty much a wish list. I searched for a good description for those who don't know what it is. A baby registry is a list of items from a local store or online shop that you would like to receive at your baby shower or before your baby's birth. The list can also serve as an organizing tool to help you keep track of what you still need to get once you see what you received at your baby shower. And I also read that because you can't do a baby registry here. I never heard about it. I've just seen these people talk about this in the Facebook groups and on TV shows and stuff. So as I understand it, you can also use the registry to receive discounts, because I assume when people buy stuff from the registry, it goes away from the list, so no one buys duplicates and stuff. When it's almost time to for the baby to come, you get a discount on all the items you have on your registry. You still have on your registry. So some parents use it for that reason, but it's more common to actually use it as a registry for your baby shower or for presents. And this is something that would never happen in Sweden. Never. I never heard about this. I never heard about anyone here doing it. Of course, you can ask, what do you wish for? What would you need? But to actually sit down and create a registry and send it out or to share it, it's so far away from how, yeah, I don't know how to say this without sounding disrespectful, or I don't know, because this isn't how I feel, because I feel like this is a good idea. You can actually do a registry here, buy whatever you want. You don't have to buy anything, but this is my list for what I still haven't bought. No duplicates, no weird stuff, because the most annoying thing in the world is when you receive something that you don't want, or you've bought yourself, and you have to ask for a receipt so you can to return it. That would never happen here. I never returned a gift, even if I don't like it, because we have this idea of being so thankful, and we don't ask for anything, and it's disrespectful to be disappointed or not be, yeah, I don't know. We just should be grateful for anything. And I don't really agree with that, because I think if you want to buy something that I want. It's just a waste of your money and my time to return something that I don't want, but in the end I won't return it, so I would just hide it and pretend like I'm using it. So it's just a waste of your money if you want to buy a gift, because to be honest, you don't have to buy me anything. I just want to have a baby shower where we celebrate the baby, we celebrate my pregnancy and me, and maybe not so much me, but just to be together and eat good junk bakery stuff and food or whatever, and dress up, do my makeup, and hang with wonderful people. That's the important stuff. But if you want to buy something, why not buy something that I want, so you don't place your or spend your money on shit I never gonna use. So I think it's a good way, but it's so it's just not something we do here. I don't know why. And it's just this whole idea of, you're asking for handout. Oh, you ask for me to spend my money. You can blah blah blah. It's like if you decide to have a child here in Sweden, you should be able to do everything yourself. Okay? If you don't if you can't afford any of the baby stuff, you're not supposed to have a child. And if you're having a tough time, or you decided to have a baby, so you can't ask for help, okay? We don't have, we have, but it's very, very rare to have a nanny or a au pair or something. It's like you should do it yourself. Doesn't matter how bad of a situation you have, or if something occurred and it wasn't something you planned on, you still have to do it yourself. You can't go and hire a nanny. Don't you care for your child? You know, it's like we have this idea of we have to do everything on our own, and if you can't, you're not supposed to do it. So that's also a weird way of seeing things, because we're always stronger together. So I don't know, it's just weird. But anyway, I'm going to have a baby shower. I'm not going to have a registry because we can't even do it here, and I'm not going to ask for specific things. I'm not even the person who are going to invite people. It's my mom. She's going to handle everything. I hope she she knows what I bought, so if someone asks, I'm pretty sure she can say what I don't have. I have my faith in her, and if I receive something weird, so be it, okay? But it's interesting how we see things here, and it's interesting the mindset of everyone and how you see on celebration, because it's all about celebrating and be thankful and be together and have fun and socialize. But people don't see it that way. Asking for a baby shower or a registry or doing a registry is asking for a handout. If you want to know more about our traditions and how we see things here, or you want to see more baby videos, just comment down below. I will of course make more. This was just a little thought I have today. I just wanted to talk about it and my thoughts about it. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn notifications on, and I see you in the next video. Bye!